Primark Freedom blackberries. Got 3. And then that's Triple Crown blackberries. I'm gonna get them planted in containers, and I'll just probably transfer them over into 2 5-gallon. I got 3 5-gallon buckets, and I'm gonna put 2 in the small containers, and I'll probably transfer these into the ground. And let me get some holes drilled in this bucket here. This will be the potting mix I use with my berries, along with a little berry tone and a little 10-10-10. I add a little bit of that in there also. Those are my 3 blackberry plants. Primark Freedom. After I had watered them in, got 3 of them in the container. And here's my 2 Triple Crown blackberry plants in the container.